So this is the new update I've got for my channel. Right now I have 36 subscribers. I haven't received any in a while, and I haven't posted any videos in a while because honestly, it's been a struggle to find the time to actually sit down and make videos. It's one of those things where doubt steps in and says, hey, you can't do this. But at the same time, I really want to be able to help people make YouTube videos or make themselves an Instagram account or a TikTok account and promote themselves, because in the end, it's a really good way to express yourself. And we've seen along the way that there are people that really support any type of artistic growth or anything like that. I will tell you right now, I'm going to post a couple of videos that are going to be completely unedited, just so you can see what it's like as somebody who has 36 subscribers making videos. Um, One of the other things I had to go through recently is getting a new camera. As you can see, the video on this is a little bit better. We've also moved around a little bit. And I keep saying we because I'm talking about my girlfriend and I, Cindy. We run another channel that has a larger amount of subscribers. With the channel that I'm talking to you from right now with 36, it's slow going. And when you're at this stage in your growth, you keep wondering, is it worth it? I've put out a bunch of videos, nobody's watching them. And YouTube is growing rapidly. There are a lot of people that are trying to start channels, and it's hard to, put yourself out there. That's why things like having thumbnails that are clickable, that people are like, oh, what's that? Having descriptions that people are like, oh, what is that? That's why it's important to be able to learn the things that you need to know about your niche so that you can be very specific about your audience. And so that's what I'm trying to do right now, is narrow down the field of my audience so that YouTube knows, hey, these are the people that these videos are for. This specific audience is who we need to target so that they can see these videos. Because it's not easy. You can see with only 36 subscribers, some people do see my videos, not just my subscribers. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen any of my videos before because they showed you a video and you're curious, like, what is it really about? Yeah, go ahead and leave a comment, because, that's what it's really all about. We want to hear from you, like, what you're going through. And this is going to be a short video. It's just a quick update. I'm going to put out a couple of short videos, quick updates, just the things that I'm going through. It's not always easy, but is it worth it? We're finding out as we go along the way. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success.